Hey everyone, welcome back to English Flow Zone.
Today, we are talking about something everyone can relate to: family.
Honestly, this topic came to my mind because have you ever noticed something?
What?
People almost always ask you to tell them about your family, especially in interviews.
Yes, that's so true. It happens every single time.
Even when you meet someone new for the first time, same question comes up.
Exactly. It's like the most common question in the world.
So today we thought, why not talk about family words in English?
Perfect idea. By the end of this video, you'll be able to talk about your own family easily.
Before we start, quick favor, hit like and subscribe to the channel.
It really helps us keep making these videos for you.
All right, let's start.
First word, parents.
Ooh, nice word. Parents means father and mother together.
Absolutely right. Both mom and dad together are called parents.
And we usually say mom instead of mother and dad instead of father.
Right. So, David, tell me about your parents.
My father's name is Johnny. He has a very calm and wonderful personality. He is so kind.
Oh, that's sweet. And what about your mother?
My mother's name is Emma. She's a very kind and caring lady, too.
Wonderful, David. Okay, now let me tell you about mine.
Yes, go ahead.
My dad's name is Robert. He's super funny, always cracking jokes at home.
Haha, that sounds fun.
And my mom's name is Grace. She's a very kind and caring lady, too.
That's beautiful. Okay, let's move to the next word.
Do you have a brother or a sister?
Yes, I have one sister.
Older or younger?
Younger. She's 5 years younger than me.
That's a big gap.
Yeah, but we're still really close. What about you?
I have one brother.
Older or younger?
Older. 2 years older than me.
Are you close to him?
Very close. We talk almost every day.
Oh, that's really nice. Okay, so let's learn the words properly. Older brother and younger brother.
I think I get it. Older brother is born first.
Exactly. And younger brother is born after you.
Same rule for sisters, right?
Yes. Older sister and younger sister, same idea.
Easy to understand. Let's practice a sentence. My older brother is a doctor. My younger sister is a student.
Perfect example.
Thank you. Now here's a question. What do you and your sister like to do together?
We watch movies and cook together sometimes.
That sounds fun. Do you two ever argue?
Yes, sometimes, but not too often.
Okay, now here's a useful word. Do you know siblings?
I think so. Does it mean brothers and sisters?
Yes, exactly. Siblings means your brothers and sisters together.
Oh, so it's just one word for all of them.
Yes. Why say brothers and sisters every time when you can just say siblings?
That makes sense. It saves time.
Let's practice. I have 2 siblings.
Wait, does that mean one brother and one sister, or could it be 2 brothers?
Good question. It can be any mix. 2 brothers, 2 sisters, or one of each.
Oh, now I get it. It's a general word.
Exactly right.
One more example, please.
Sure. She has 3 siblings.
So she has 3 brothers or sisters in total.
Perfect. You've got it now.
Okay, here's a fun question for everyone watching.
What is it?
In your family, who is the most naughty one?
Good one. Or maybe who gets angry the fastest?
Exactly. Every family has that one person.
Hi guys, let us know in the comments, who is the naughtiest or the most short-tempered in your family?
We really want to read your answers.
Don't be shy. Tell us.
All right, let's go a little further into the family tree. Who is a grandmother?
Is it your mother's mother?
Yes, or your father's mother too.
Oh, so there are 2 grandmothers.
Exactly. One from your mom's side and one from your dad's side.
Makes sense. What about grandfather then?
Same idea. Your mother's father or your father's father.
So we have two grandfathers as well.
Exactly right.
And together we call them grandparents?
Exactly. Grandparents means your grandmother and grandfather.
That's clear now.
All right, next one. Who is an uncle?
Is it your father's brother?
Yes, or your mother's brother too.
Oh, so there can be many uncles.
Exactly. Every brother of your parents is your uncle.
And aunt?
Same idea. Your father's sister or your mother's sister.
So aunt is the sister and uncle is the brother.
Exactly right.
Let's practice. My uncle is my mother's brother.
My aunt is my father's sister.
Perfect.
Okay, one more important word. Do you know cousin?
Is it your uncle or aunt's children?
Yes, exactly. Your uncle's kids or your aunt's kids are your cousins.
Oh, nice. So I have quite a few cousins then.
Most people do. Family gatherings are never boring with cousins around.
True. Let's practice a sentence. My cousin lives in another city.
Perfect. And one last word before we wrap up the family tree. Relatives.
Is that just a fancy word for family?
Sort of. Relatives means all your family members together. Parents, siblings, grandparents, uncles, aunts, cousins, everyone.
Oh, so it's like an umbrella word.
Exactly. A simple way to talk about your whole family without naming everyone.
That's really useful.
Honestly, I love talking about family. It feels so personal.
Same here. These are words we use almost every day.
One last question before we go.
Go ahead.
How many siblings do you have?
Yes. Tell us in the comments. 1, 2, 3, whatever it is.
We'll be reading all your comments.
So here's your homework. Try describing your own family using these words.
Parents, siblings, grandparents, uncle and aunt, cousin, relatives.
Drop your answers in the comments. We'd love to read them.
And if you enjoyed this one, next time we'll talk about describing people's personality.
That's going to be fun.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to English Flow Zone.
See you in the next one.
Bye, everyone.